That tutorial video. Now let's take a minute to admire my hair. This is my hair halfway stretched out, not fully stretched out, but I tried to stretch it out a night before. And also this is a freshly washed hair. Now we are going in for our hairstyle today with this coily dancing coils, amigos dancing coils. Then darling kinky braids are my favorite of all time. My got to be hair wax. Now the hairstyle we're trying out today is this hairstyle I've been seeing on TikTok, on Pinterest. I'm like, you know what? I'll give it a try. Let me tell you something interesting is that this is the first time I am trying out um a cornrow or Ghana braids cornrows on myself. Like I've never had the guts, the mind to try this out, but I went ahead and said, okay, I'm doing it, and I'm making a video. I don't care how it comes out. So we first started out by sectioning off the front part of our hair, the part that we want to be in a cornrow form, and we went ahead to divide the rest of our hair line by line. We don't want very tiny braids, we want a medium sized braids. Now, like I always say, do not fault yourself if your lines are not so neat at first. Like me, I made a couple of mistakes in this hair and I do not care, because I know that this is my first time and I'm going to do better the next time. So after sectioning off my hair, I had about 6 parts behind, which are going to be 1 I started braiding my hair. Now I will just let the music play while you watch me braid my hair. There is no really special technique to braiding this hair. Oh, and I would also like to add that I first started inserting my coily weave, until I realized that, oh, this wasn't what I wanted. I could just crochet it at the end of the hair. So yeah, you could see me making that mistake a couple of times, but at the end of the day I had to cut these ones off and spoke it or crochet it at the end of the hair. So let's just watch until we get to the front part of the hair.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Only shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. So go with the this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I lay you dead. Been drowned in mountains and sea. Almost scriptures dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that good news. Me and Jesus, we together got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. It's the moon, but I said it right. We gon' be alright. that good news. Don't worry about me, Jesus got me, I stay winning. Say I stay winning. That's your fight. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe.
So coming to the front part of our hair, I first decided to cut out the parts, or divide out the parts line by line. Like I always say, I'm not so good at having clean parts, so this helps me a lot, this and a hair wax. So my parts might not be perfect, but they are getting there with time. I just need more patience. Like my friend would say, take your time, don't be in a rush. And this hair took me about 6-7 hours to complete. So if you do not have the time, just let it go. I think I started this hair off like around 10 a.m. in the morning, and I was done around 5 p.m. I had breaks in between, but then I was done like much later. So this is how far I could do my zigzag, and I went ahead to braid my hair while feeding in the hair. I'm going to find a video that helped me learn how to feed in and put it, link it. It's not my video, but I'll show you guys the video so you can watch it and watch how to feed in your hair. But for now, watch me do my braids and watch how to feed in the hair. And if you have any question whatsoever, just send a message. Put it on the comment section. I would definitely answer you. I don't do anything else with my time than answering your questions. So let's get straight into braiding the first part of my hair. And like I said, hair wax is your best friend. Hair wax is your best friend. When you're done, if you're afraid of your hair getting white, when you're done with hair wax and braiding your hair, use a hair mousse and cool everything down. So watch on while we go ahead.
I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Only shake your presence, always so potent around me. I look like sunshine and wind. I smell like success and victory. You know I'm made in his image. Righteous genetics, I got it. To prove it that this is my shot. I got you on my mind. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. I got you on my side. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. That's a vibe. Who gon' stand against me? Who gon' win against the views all around me? I lay your face. Been drowned in mountains and sea. On with scriptures, dominating, undefeated. That's my reigning king. This that, this that good news. Me and Jesus, we together, got that synergy. Got them atoms all vibrating, check the atmosphere. This you know that I said it right. We gon' be alright. We gon' be just fine. And we gonna be that good news. Don't worry about me, Jesus got me, I stay winning. Say I stay winning. That's your fight.
You all, I was really proud of myself when I finished this hair. I know it was nowhere near perfect, even though I don't know for whatever reason, but um, my back hair, my back lines always come out neat. I'm always struggling in my front lines. I'm gonna get it good very soon. But I was so proud of myself. I have never done braids, cornrows on myself. And this is like the first. And I'm like, okay, you can do this. You got this, girl. Fighting, girl, fighting. I was so excited that I could do this on my hair. I could not just believe it. Like, I was so happy, even though it wasn't coming out perfect, but I was literally very happy. And it just made me think about the fact that, oh, you might not be able to do something at first, but if you keep trying, you will be able to get there. This is my 6th month trying out hairstyles on myself, and I'm really enjoying myself. And I know I'm going to get very good at the moment. So if this is your first time, like I put in the comments, sorry, in the caption, for beginners, this is your first time, just know that you're not alone. There are a couple of people who are learning how to make themselves by themselves, and you would one day get there where you can actually make really clean parts and try out any hairstyle you want. This hairstyle made me really think that, you know what, I'm going to definitely try out more and more hairstyles until I'm very good at making my own hair. This has always been my dream as a small girl, and being able to do this made me feel really happy. So at this stage, I'm done doing the hair, and I just went ahead to apply some hair growth oil, homemade hair growth oil on my hair, and also apply some styling mousse, did my makeup, did my edges, and we are back for the final look. This is it, guys. This is the final look. I am just excited and happy that I pushed myself to this extent. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And if you've reached this stage, do not forget to hit the subscribe button. Do not forget to like and comment. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. I love you so much.